Ever feel like navigating the crypto sea is like trying to find a single grain of sand on a vast, digital beach? You're looking for something specific, a destination, a point of contact, say, a Kraken USDT wallet address. But where do you even start? It's like asking where the Kraken itself keeps its treasure. We've all been there. You're diving into the world of stablecoins, specifically USDT, and you've chosen Kraken as your exchange. Great choice, by the way. But then the inevitable question hits you: where, exactly, is my USDT wallet address? It's not like they just hand it to you on a digital platter, is it? See, the crypto world, for all its revolutionary potential, can feel like a labyrinth at times. Jargon, complex interfaces, security protocols, it can be overwhelming, especially when you're dealing with your hard-earned digital assets. And when it comes to USDT, a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, precision is paramount. One wrong address, one misplaced character, and your funds could vanish into the digital abyss. So, let's cut through the fog and get straight to the point. What is a Kraken USDT wallet address, and how do you find yours? First, let's understand why this matters. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin designed to maintain a stable value, typically tied to the US dollar. This stability makes it a popular choice for traders and investors looking to avoid the volatility of other cryptocurrencies. One Kraken, a reputable and secure cryptocurrency exchange, allows you to deposit, withdraw, and trade USDT. 1. TradersTat.com. TradersTat.com. Now, here's the crucial part: your Kraken USDT wallet address is essentially your digital bank account number on the Kraken platform, specifically for receiving USDT. It's a unique string of characters that identifies your account and allows others to send you USDT. Think of it like this: if someone wants to send you a letter, they need your physical address. Similarly, if someone wants to send you USDT, they need your Kraken USDT wallet address. But here's where things get interesting. Unlike a physical address, which is static, crypto addresses can sometimes vary depending on the network you're using. This is crucial when dealing with USDT, as it can be issued on multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, ERC-20, Tron, TRC-20, and others. So, how do you find your specific Kraken USDT wallet address? The process is relatively straightforward, but it requires careful attention to detail. First, you need to log into your Kraken account. This is the starting point for any activity on the platform. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Funding or Deposit section. This is where you'll find the options for depositing various cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Next, you'll need to select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. This will bring up the options for depositing USDT. Here's the critical step: you'll need to choose the correct network. Kraken will typically provide you with options for different networks, such as ERC-20, TRC-20, or others, depending on what they support. Choosing the wrong network can result in lost funds, so double-check this carefully. Once you've selected the correct network, Kraken will display your unique USDT wallet address for that network. This address is a long string of alphanumeric characters, and it's essential to copy it accurately. It's crucial to understand that each network has its own unique address. For example, your ERC-20 USDT address will be different from your TRC-20 USDT address. Sending USDT to the wrong address will result in the loss of your funds. Security is paramount when dealing with crypto addresses. Never share your wallet address publicly, and always double-check it before sending or receiving USDT. It's also a good practice to use the copy function to avoid errors when copying the address. Now, let's address some common questions and potential pitfalls. One common question is whether you can use the same USDT address for all networks. The answer is a resounding no. Each network has its own unique address, and using the wrong address will result in lost funds. Another common mistake is confusing USDT with other stablecoins. While they may seem similar, they operate on different blockchains and have different addresses. It's also essential to be aware of phishing scams. Scammers may try to trick you into sending USDT to their addresses by impersonating Kraken or other reputable entities. Always verify the authenticity of any communication before sending funds. To summarize, finding your Kraken USDT wallet address involves logging into your Kraken account, navigating to the Funding or Deposit section, selecting USDT, choosing the correct network, and copying the unique address. Always double-check the address and network before sending or receiving USDT. Why is this so important? Because in the crypto world, there are no do-overs. If you send your USDT to the wrong address, it's likely gone forever. There's no customer service hotline to call, no bank to reverse the transaction. This is why precision and attention to detail are paramount. And while we're talking about security, let's touch upon the importance of enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account. This adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your account and funds. Also, remember that the crypto world is constantly evolving. New networks, new protocols, and new security measures are constantly being developed. Stay informed and up to date on the latest developments to ensure the safety of your assets. You might also be wondering, can I use this address to receive USDT from other exchanges? Yes, as long as the other exchange supports the same network you are using on Kraken. Always double-check that the networks match, or you may lose funds. Finally, remember that Kraken is a centralized exchange. This means they hold custody of your funds. While they implement strong security measures, it's always wise to consider diversifying your holdings and storing some of your crypto in a hardware wallet for added security. Navigating the crypto world can be challenging, but with careful attention to detail and a thorough understanding of the processes involved, you can safely and securely manage your digital assets. Finding your Kraken USDT wallet address is a crucial step in this process. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.